take a look at this one. Here's one of the more popular years of Impalas, 1964. And this is an SS. Two-door hardtop, two-door coupe. Now this particular car in 64, you can tell a true SS. The style number on it will be 1447 for the V8 Super Sport hardtop cars. Another thing about this car, it is a numbers matching 409 car. And we'll take a look underneath the hood here in a bit. Let you hear it run, check out the interior, all that good stuff. As you can see, black in color, black interior. This particular one has had a color change. It was originally a Daytona blue car with blue interior. You can also tell with the bucket seat code in 64 that they're an SS. This would have been an 831 interior code for blue bucket seats in an SS car. So no doubt that this is not a true Impala SS. And like I said, 409 underneath the hood, and it's a 425 horse. So we'll check that out in a little bit when we pop the hood. Take a look at it. We'll check out the interior, listen to her. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time, look through this car, look at the undersides, look at the interior, look at the engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, bright work. Nice condition on this car. I'd call the bright work paint, nice driver quality. It's black. So, I mean, are you going to find a few, light scratches, what have you, imperfections in it? Yes, it is a black car. Overall, very nice looking. Take this thing to your local cruise-ins, car shows. It's going to turn heads. This car will stand out. You can see up and down it. For a black car, it is quite straight. See how nice the bright work is on the side, too, when you get to this machining in the back, like the Impalas would have had. Very, very nice. And of course, it has been done up, black on black. Now, it is also a 4-speed manual car. And that does match up with the engine code on this one, which is QB, which is a 409, 425 horse, 4-speed car. So, all that seems to jive. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes underneath the hood. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. May be eligible for an extended warranty also, so don't be afraid to ask your sales consultant about that. The iconic rear end of the 64. You see the dual exhaust coming out the back. 3 taillights on each side. Arguably one of the better looking Impalas that was ever made. Come back here, you can see the paint has a nice luster to it. Good shine. Once again, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. And of course, those still pictures. Take a look through them. Check out the trunk. Check out all the pictures. Usually have anywhere from 80 to 100 pictures of our cars. Try to represent them as fairly as possible. Uniqueclassiccars.com is where you're going to find those. Let's take a look down this driver's side also. Again, the machining and the bright work, very, very nice shape. Straight car. Riding on the rally style wheel. Just a great, great look on this car. Alright, let's check out this interior. Also a little Chevrolet brochure from back in 1964. I'd leave that in there. Now I apologize, I got the carpets and the floor a little dirty getting in and out of this one. But check out the still pictures, you'll see how nice it looks. Again, kind of a leather or leatherette style seat. It's not a crackly vinyl, I can tell you that. It's a very nice, comfortable fabric material. Center tack. Let's go ahead and fire this one up, see here it run. See how easily that starts, and the tack does work. Notice that earlier, I kind of went through some of the stuff. Wiper worked, blower fan worked, some aftermarket gauges down underneath here, and an aftermarket stereo has been put in. You can see that all works. And padded dash. Pretty stock looking interior besides the couple of the aftermarket gauges, and stereo. Center console. Headliner also in nice shape. So nicely that door closes. Slip around in the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 409. I'm going to slip up front, pause this video a second, and let's pop the hood, see how it looks underneath there. Alright, here we go. Hood's popped. Take a peek at this engine bay. Like I said, power brakes, power steering. 425 horse. Dressed up nice. Chevy orange paint. Chrome valve covers. Chrome air cleaner. There you have it. 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. 2-door hardtop, 409 car, manual transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the description, it's going to take you right there. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. May also be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate. Look forward to hearing from you.